Hey, good morning, everyone. Yeah, we got this face cord going out right for returning customers. She orders one face cord at a time, probably about 3, 4 times a year. We're just gonna dump it off today. She texted me, I think it was Saturday or Sunday, wanted it Tuesday. I said, okay. So she texted me yesterday and said, hey, can you bring it tomorrow? I said, yeah, no problem. And the reason why I'm just going to dump this off, I'm not going to stack or anything. You see over here, it's real high winds. If you look in the back, you can see it really good in the back. About 35-mile-an-hour winds today. I think the temperature right now with the wind chill is like, I believe it was 10 or 12 below zero. That's what the wind chill. I think the actual temperature was like 9 or something like that, something crazy. But yeah, we're just gonna dump this off. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be a video today. It's freezing out here. You can tell how red my face is. Already loaded their stove. Got that done, and that burned well last night again. And I'm probably expecting to get some more calls this during the week because it's supposed to be in the single digits and below zero with the wind chill all week. So there it is, one face cord, another face cord going out to Clarny Lake, which I think is kind of cool because I used to go to Clarny Lake as a kid. I had the Lutheran camp there, swim and play volleyball, outside games. Now, 45 years later, now I'm delivering firewood up there. That's kind of cool if you ask me. But there it is, guys. Stay warm, and probably see you tomorrow. All right, see you.